CVMC EC Unit 2 Complex Integration Lesson 4 Problem 12 Evaluate integral over C e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 dz, where C is such that mod z minus 1 is equal to 2. Solution: given circle mod z minus 1 is equal to center 1 0, radius r is equal to 2, C 1 0, radius r is equal to into over S f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz. Comparing your f of z is equal to e power 2z, n is equal to, actually n plus 1 is equal to 4, comma n equal to 4 minus 1 3, z plus 1, so z plus 1 is equal to z minus of minus 1. So comparing with z minus a, what is a value? Minus 1. You write this a value point minus 1 0. Find distance between center and point. Cp is equal to, we know the formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Distance between 2 points is equal to root over x1 c 1 minus of minus plus 1 whole square 0 minus 0 whole square. So is equal to 2 square for root for 2, Cp 2, R 2. So distance between two centered point is equal to radius, means P lies on the circle. P minus 1 0, that is A is equal to minus 1, lies on the circle mod z minus 1 is equal to 2. Mod z minus 1 is equal to 2. Using Cauchy's general integral formula, integral over C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial nth derivative of a. Integral over C u power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 dz is equal to 2 pi I by 3 factorial f power 3 a is minus 1. 2 pi I by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, 6 into, we have to find this value in margin. What is your f of z? E power 2z. f of first derivative 2 e power 2z. Second derivative 2 into 2 4 e power 2z. Third derivative 8 e power 2z. Now put instead of z you write here minus 1. 8 e power minus 2. 8 e power minus 2. 3 times 8 by 3 pi I e power minus 2 or 8 pi I by 3 square, whatever it may be. Problem 13. If f of p is equal to integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus p dz, where c such that mod z is equal to 2. Find the values of f of 3, f dash 1 minus I, f double dash 1 minus I. Solution: given f of p is equal to integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus p. First bit, f of 3, instead of p write 3 integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus 3. Given circle mod z is equal to 2, center c 0 0, radius r is equal to 2. Diagram 0 0, radius 2, 2 minus 2, 2 x dash y dash. Now here your point is 3 lies outside the circle. Comparing, your f of z is equal to 3z square plus 7z plus 1, a is equal to 3, lies outside the circle, mod z is equal to 2 by, therefore outside means integral value 0, therefore integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus 3 dz is equal to 0. F of p is equal to integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus p dz. Now f dash p derivative with respect to p integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 constant integral into 1 by z minus p derivative with respect to p minus 1 by z minus p whole square into minus p derivative minus 1 dz is equal to into over C 3 minus and minus plus 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus p whole square dz. This is your f dash p. What is f double dash p? What is your f double dash p? Into over C 3z square plus 7z plus 1 derivative, again derivative. So minus 2 by z minus p whole cube to minus p derivative minus 1 dz. This is equal to your f double dash p is equal to into over C minus into minus plus 6z square plus 14z plus 2 by z minus p whole cube dz. Now what is your second bit? F dash 1 minus I. So integral over C, instead of p write here 1 minus I. 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus of 1 minus I whole square dz. So comparing, your f of z is equal to 3z square plus 7z plus 1. A is equal to 1 minus I. Write point P 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Next n plus 1 is equal to 2. So n is equal to n plus 1 is equal to, so n is equal to minus 1 1. N is equal to 1. So what is your formula? Integral over C 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus 1 minus I whole square dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial 1 factorial f of first derivative of 1 minus I. 1 minus I. Here find Cp. What is your Cp? Center is 2 0. Center is 2 0. C 2 0. Sorry 0 0. So 0 0 root over 0 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus minus of minus plus 0 plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square root 2. Root 2 is 1.414, that is less than 2. P lies inside the circle. Inside the circle. Use Cauchy's general integral formula. So 2 pi I by 1 factor is 1. F dash p. So your f of z is 3z square. 3z square plus 7z. F of z is 3z square plus 7z plus 1. F dash first derivative of z 6z plus 7. Now you put here, instead of z you write here 0.1 minus I. 6 into 1 minus I plus 7. 6 minus 6I plus 7. 13 minus 6I. 13 minus 6I. So 2 pi into 13 minus 6I. 2 pi I into 13 minus 6I. Your third bit f double dash 1 minus I is equal to integral over c 6 z square plus 14z plus 2 by z minus 1 minus I whole cube. So this is nothing but comparing f of z is equal to 6z square plus 14z plus 2. P lies inside the circle, no problem. Here n plus 1 is equal to 3, n is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So using formula 2 pi by n factorial means 2 factorial f second derivative of 1 minus I 2 pi I into f 1 minus I. Your f of z is equal to here f of z is equal to 6z square plus 14z plus 2. F first derivative is equal to 12z plus 14. F second derivative is equal to 12. So f2 of z is 1 minus I. There is no z here. We get 12. To 12. 12 pi I. 12 pi I. Problem 14. If fj is equal to integral over c 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus j dz, where c is the ellipse x by 2 whole square plus y by 3 whole square is equal to 1. Find the value of a bit f of 3.5, b bit f of I, f dash minus 1 and f double dash minus I. Solution f of j is given integral over c 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus j dz. A bit f of 3.5 is equal to integral over c 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus 3.5 dz. Mod z is equal to comparing f of z is equal to 4z square plus z plus 5. A is equal to 3.5. A is equal to 3.5. Given ellipse x by 2 whole square plus y by 3 whole square is equal to 1. So this is your ellipse 20 a x by a whole square plus y by b whole square is equal to 1 model. A0 20 minus 20. Here 0 minus 3 0, 3. This is your ellipse. This is your ellipse. What is your point? 3.5. 3.5. A is equal to 3.5 lies outside the ellipse. Outside the ellipse by known result into over C 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus 3.5 dz is equal to 0. Outside integral value is 0. B bit. What is your integral over C 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus j dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of j. 2 pi I into, what is your f of j? 4 j square plus j plus 5. This is your f of j. F of j is equal to capital F 2 pi I into 4 j square plus j plus 5. Now f dash j 2 pi I constant 8j plus 1. F double dash j 2 pi I constant 8. So now what is your f of I? Instead of j write I here. 2 pi I into 4 I square plus I plus 5 is equal to 2 pi I into I square minus 1 minus 4 plus I plus 5 is equal to 2 pi I into 1 plus I. 2 pi I into 1 plus I. F double dash f dash minus 1. So instead of j you write minus 1. 2 pi I into, in this 8 into minus 1 plus 1. So 2 pi I into minus 7 plus 1 minus 6. So nothing but minus 7 minus 8 plus 1. So minus 14 pi. Minus 14 pi. F double dash minus I 2 pi I into, in this there is no j here, so you write 8 16 pi I. Use same methodology for above problem also.